palm facing downward. Try to raise one leg each. Yes. Now both legs. That's it. Straight away you can go into Bhujangasana. It should be done in 3 stretches. Gautam, 3 steps, 3 points like this. Just put the pressure on the lumbar region, just this much. Down. Then slightly more. Down. Now we should fully stretch elbow straight like this. Feet should be together. ಇದಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಅನಾಥಾಸನ ಮಾಡು. ಹಿಂಗೆ